Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we unboxing one kit from I Am Blood Orphan HG Mobile Armor Hashmal. It's an old kit 10 years ago, 2016. So it's a image here, got babatos in this unit, and you can see the rear view, front view, and some action pose, and got pluma. See, number 29. And then this other kit, this one got sword, new type of sword for battle lupus. So you can see inside. Got 1 pack, 2 pack, 3 pack, and 4 pack, and manual. This manual. So this is a runner here. Start for the main body. I think this is the main body. Got a sticker, and this is the upper body, the left hand, right hand, this one, and I think the claw. This is complete parts, and this is a stand. And I got a cable here, and this the tail. Okay, this is a complete kit. Then they got effect parts to show like they fire something, and this gimmick here, open parts here. Then this another mode, I think, step by step to change to this mode. And lastly, this the Puma, got one unit only, and got the sword for the babatos. So this is the image when finished. So first you got a beam weapon, effect part here. Second is energy supply system, and 3 is kinetic energy shot launcher. This one. And this is plume, super hard wire blade, and Gundam battle lupus sword. Pack, first pack. So for the stand and cable for the tail. Next pack, I've got some parts detached. This one put here. Got one runner G and runner C. Okay. Also got some part. This one, runner F, red color, I think pink color. This runner A for the effect part here, and for the armor, the sticker. Last pack, This for the shoulder parts, and this for the inner frame. So some parts already removed from the runner. And lastly is runner E. I think this one for the blade and some for the shoulder. Okay, that's all for the unboxing part. We do speedbook and review later. Thank you for watching. Bye.